All right, we have a Samsung fridge here, probably like 8 years old, RF26X series. So if you want to take out the handles here, these are easy. These are just Allen wrenches. But to take this one off, well, after you take it off, make sure you put a piece of metal in here, like an Allen wrench, to keep this thing from flying that way. So the white one goes on the right, the black one goes on the left, just like how I put it. But put this back on first, like so. I'm gonna put the phone down for a second here. All right, so it's back. Sorry, we did 2 hands for that. So basically, you pull this thing back, and this thing will come right down. And if you're having this for the first time, maybe get 2 hands to do this. One person hold this to put in place, and the other, your hand will pull this back, put it down, and then once it's in, don't touch this, put these things back. Right there. Right there. White is on the right, black is on the left. So white and right rhymes, remember that. Then you just get your Phillips back. Those are the Phillips right there, right there. And then after that, just pop this thing back in, you're all done. All right, thanks for watching. This is how you can take this out to make it fit in the door without taking this whole thing out. And this whole thing can take out not too bad either. The whole thing will slide out to get you even more room, depending how big your door is. I think it was like 34.5 or something I made it.